Hello guys, welcome back to the weather radar. And I'm actually looking at my pictures. This is the radar for this tonight and this afternoon and this evening. Since I won't be able to be recording or taking pictures, I got homework. I'm at my pawpaws right now. Rain potential on tonight. Rain potential for flooding rains low. Winds east southeast at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain 100%, 1 to 2 inches of rain expected. Cloudy with periods of rain potential for flooding rains. That's Tuesday. But they just updated the weather thing. And I just showed my pawpaw. If they changed it again, I don't know. But here we go. We are under a flash flood watch, which is very much expected. Showers and thunderstorms early, then overcast overnight with occasional rain. Potential for flooding rains, low 71 winds. East southeast at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain 100%, 1 to 2 inches expected. Of rain expected. That's the same thing, just a little bit more. Tomorrow, cloudy with periods of rain. Potential for flooding rain, same thing. Rainfall may reach 1 inch. And here's what Hurricane Ida, or Tropical Storm Ida looks like. And you know what's funny? I was looking at the wind. It still has an eye to it. And I'm kind of surprised. But we also have two more tropical storms out in the ocean. One is low depression. One is a tropical storm. You got Kate as a tropical storm right now. And then you got, what's this one? I forget. Julian. And those are both of the tropical storms, or new hurricanes. So meaning, if we look at the hurricane names, my name, let's look at it. Give me a little bit. So, after Larry and Mindy will be my name. Oh my goodness, guys. I'll be tracking my own name. That is my real name, as y'all know, so we're gonna be tracking that, but we've gone through Henry, Ida, Julian, and Kate. And Ida, Julian, and Kate is still tropical storm and low depression and hurricane, basically. Henry's already gone, but we got Larry and Mindy, and then we got my name. So, I'm a little excited, but then a little nervous at the same time. So, but as you can see, here's more pictures I've taken of that storm. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I hope y'all enjoyed this, and bye-bye.